first preseason game, Vern Glenn sat down with Jimmy Garoppolo, and despite having Trey Lance waiting in the wings, Jimmy G appears more comfortable than ever leading San Francisco's offense.
Jimmy, first of all, let's just break the ice with your boy 85. I mean, does he have an off switch? Oh my God!
If he does, I hope you can find it for him. it's nonstop, man. But you gotta love that.
It's crazy. What makes him tick? I mean, he just keeps on going. I mean, you been able to figure him out?
Yeah, I think I got a pretty good feel for him. It's from time to time. You know, you gotta find him at the right moments. But you love that energy. You love having that around.
And your relationship, he's wearing your T-shirt. You're wearing his T-shirt. I mean, what's up with that?
Oh man, it's George is since I got here, he was one of the first guys that welcomed me to the team with open arms. The energy he brings every day, it's contagious, man. I love being around it.
Nice. So, give me a sense of how camp has been going for you.
It's been good. It really has. I think so far it's been a very competitive camp. Just offense versus defense, every day making plays both sides of the ball, and it hasn't been like this in the past, at least since I've been here. And it's something I like to see out there. The competitiveness, guys going back and forth at each other, getting into it with one another. It makes for a good team.
I know something you'd like to see. You walked out, there's a crowd.
Oh yeah.
You're playing in front of a crowd.
Hell yeah. No, having the faithful back, it doesn't sound like a big deal, but to us players, it really is. That energy they bring. Game day, I can't wait for Levi's to be filled again, man. It was different last year. Just the energy that we have every single game with those guys, and I don't know, I missed it. I really did.
Never having been a pro football player myself, I can't imagine. But when you run out that tunnel and you hear that roar of a packed stadium, it really kind of hits you, huh? It kind of amps you up even more.
Oh yeah, it's different. It really is, and you can feel it from stadium to stadium. Some stadiums doesn't have the energy that you're looking for, but Levi's, every time we go out there, they bring it, man. They really do. Third down, it gets loud. You get a team down in the red zone, opposite team has to go silent count. I mean, that's the stuff you live for.
Speaking of bringing it, Jimmy, I would imagine you're very much pleased, but walking out and seeing all this talent, just like, well, the band is back together.
Hell yeah.
None of this injury stuff.
Hell yeah. It's been a while. It really has, since we all been out there together. Debo, Ayuk, Raheem's back, George. I mean, we're rolling right now, and I think we're in a good spot, and we just got to keep going.
All these weapons, Jimmy, how do you figure out a go-to in the heat of it? Because the ball's got to be out of your hands in, what, 2 seconds?
Oh, yeah. It's whoever's been nicest to me that day, honestly. No, the guys, we find a way to get it around. Kyle does a great job game planning and scheming defense up, and just, all I got to do is get to the playmakers, let them go run.
You ever get a play and you just think, that play's not going to work, I'm going to audible? Can you ever do that?
I've had it a couple times.
A couple times.
It's rare, man. It really is. And I can't say that for all the teams around the league, but here it's I mean, very rarely that happens, that you walk up to the line and you're like, I'm questioning this one. Because there's usually at least some type of outlet where you could get it to a guy in space and he'll go make a play for you.
I heard a question the other day thrown to Shanahan. I couldn't believe it. It was like somebody actually asked him how the cadences were out there. I'm like, what? Cadence? And he goes, oh, the cadence was better today. I'm like, what?
Yeah, it's I mean, to the public that might not sound like a big thing, but to us it's everything. I mean, it's every single play you're working with it. You're trying to mix things up, keep the D line. It's really hard for us going against our D line with the talent we have, so we have to keep changing it up daily just to keep them on their toes, or else they'll just be in the backfield all day.
We got these preseason games on Channel 5, so I just have one request. Okay,
What you got?
When you're at the line and you're calling it and you throw out one of those, I don't know, those dummy audibles like Omaha or something like that, just working a little KPIX in there.
KPIX.
Yeah,
It's a simple one to mix in,
Yellow
right?
30 KPIX.
Should it mean anything, or it's dummy?
Well, it'll be dummy, but it'll confuse the defense.
All right, I got you. Keep the hot mic on us.
That'd be great. That'd be great. Let me throw a couple at you about number 5. This guy that you're kind of bringing along and kind of tutoring along. What do you like about his game? And maybe do you see maybe some of your younger self in him?
Yeah, definitely. I think all rookie quarterbacks come into this league with kind of that gunslinger mindset, and you think you can make every throw. And, Trey's been slinging it out here. He's got some explosiveness in the run game. The zone read's been looking great for him out here. And he's a cool dude to be around. He really is. Just, it would have sucked to bring in a rookie who is feeling entitled or something like that. But he's been cool with everyone, and it's nice to have him.
What goes through the mind of an NFL quarterback that kind of goes out there and has that Oh, nobody's open? I'm throwing it anyway.
Man, you got to have a lot of confidence in your arm. It really is. I mean, even when, and that's the nice thing about having skill guys like we have, even when they're covered, they're really not covered. Because if you give them a chance, Kittle, Ayuk, you put it up high for them, the wingspan and the explosion that these guys got, they'll make the play on it one way or another.
Are you ever amazed at throwing it to a spot and just thinking, oh, man, I don't know if he's getting, and he gets there?
Hell yeah. Almost daily. I mean, it really does happen almost daily. George will make a play. Ayuk's had a couple of them out here. It's been impressive. Raheem with the speed. Debo looks covered half the time, and all of a sudden it just sticks to his chest, and he's running and he's knocking two people over on the way too. So it's having guys like that makes my job very easy.
Last one for me. You ever sit back, visualize that 70-yard play where and you just hitting them right in stride? I guess that's a quarterback's dream.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's you always want to hit that one. You're always shooting for that one, but you got to set it up with the short ones first, and I think we do a great job of that. But we're going to get that 70-yarder soon, don't you worry.
Yeah, you hear that? You hear that, Niner Empire? Hey, they're coming with that.
Oh,
hey,
yeah.
Jimmy, thanks so much, man.
Definitely.
And, hey, continued success.
Appreciate it. Thanks for having me.
The 49ers take on Patrick Mahomes and the Chiefs Saturday night at 5:30. You can watch it all right here on KPIX.